Okay, now here's a weird thought I had. This is super portable. It's super lightweight. It's something I'm going to take with me when I'm camping or whatever, and I want to capture awesome 4K gimbal stabilized video. But what if I don't want to take it airborne? What if I use this as a handheld gimbal camera? Let's see how it works. So what I'm going to do, and obviously I'm not going to start the motors or anything, so I don't want to chop my fingers up. So if you were doing this, it would probably be best practice to take your propellers off. But I'm simply going into DJI Go app, again, without starting the motors. And let's see, it's disconnected. This is still on. Not that it's necessarily a problem, but I found with this, when you're using this wired thing, for some reason it has a tendency to get to step 3 where it says connect RC when you launch your DJI Go app, and then it, for whatever reason, makes you on step 3 reinsert the cable. But once I did, it came right up. That's just kind of a nuisance. I don't know why that's the case, but anyway, now I'm going to enter the device. Yeah, did it again. Again, I don't doctor. A lot of y'all may be saying, well, why is he doing this? He's showing us how to use this thing as a handheld camera. Why is he going through all this troubleshooting? That's just the style on my channel. I'm not here to doctor anything up. This is a real world example of what may happen. And this isn't an issue, it's just an inconvenience. And I think that was prompted. It says there's a new firmware update available for the controller. So I'm going to download that. So, you know, with this just coming out, I mean, there's just a flood of updates that are trickling through. So, I mean, that's a good thing that they're on the ball with updating it, but maybe that's what created the delay there. Because see, I definitely want to test this handheld because, you know, the optimal, I'm just rambling on with potentially entertaining information while this updates. It says update complete. But the optimal use case for the Mavic Air, you know, throw it in a bag with other gear, throw it in a backpack if you're backpacking or whatever, and just have access to a gimbal stabilized flying camera. But, you know, it shouldn't have to be just a flying camera. So what I'm going to do in this scenario, since I'm not flying, is that I'm just going to hit record, and we're going to walk around with this and see what the handheld video quality looks like. See, the gimbal works. Now I can see myself on the smartphone on the ground. So we're going to walk around and just use this as a handheld gimbal that's not flying. And so it'll be interesting to see how that'll compare to, say, a GoPro camera on a gimbal, or a GoPro with just in-camera stabilization, because the new GoPro Hero 6 Black has some stabilization that I've tested. It looks pretty rock solid, but how does this compare to that? So I'm not going to bore y'all with a long-winded, see, now I'm going to kind of turn it sideways here. Okay, I did get a little bit of jerk with that. That was a rapid movement. So again, just something else that you may be able to get out of the Mavic Air that you didn't think about. So thanks for watching. Check out epicdroneshow.com. You can find the Mavic Air, all the different colors, the different bundles, the accessories, tutorial videos, field test videos. And if you don't see it, just ask and I'll try to whip up a video or find you a link. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe. youtube.com/IrixGuy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.